We are taking R.D. Sharma Solutions, Class 11, Chapter 23, the straight lines. This is very short answer questions. So we have to answer each of the following question in one word or sentence. The first question is, write an equation representing a pair of lines through the point A, B and parallel to the coordinate axis. So a line which is passing through AB and parallel to the coordinate axis, that is x and y axis. So how do we make it first? These are the coordinate axis and it is parallel to y axis. What does it mean? You will have x distance only, x equals say A. Any line which is parallel to say y axis, only y distance will be there, so y will be B. Okay. So y minus b equals 0 and x minus a equals 0. These will be 2. So we just combine them. X minus a, y minus b equals 0. Write the coordinates of the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines x square minus y square equals 0 and x plus 6y equals 18. So this is one line. X plus 6y equals 18. There is one more form, x square minus y square. This is not a line. So just form it as a line. So x square minus y square is x minus y, x plus y equals 0. So one is x minus y equals 0 and one is x plus y equals 0. And the third line will be x plus 6y equals 18. These two are the lines. So the orthocenter is what? The orthocenter is the intersection of the perpendiculars from opposite vertex or vertex to the opposite side. So let's drop a perpendicular here and this intersection point is the orthocenter. So we have to find out the coordinate here. So how do we do this? Well, this question does not require all these, only for explanation I am telling you. So we'll take one of the line or two of the line and then we'll see what is the slope, because I can see if x minus y equals 0 and x plus y equals 0, and if you try to find out the slope of these two lines, what do you get? One line is x plus y equals 0. What is the slope here? X, y equals x, so m is 1, m equals 1. And how about y equals minus x? M is minus 1 here. So we have slope m and two slopes of the adjacent lines and they are minus 1. That means these two lines are perpendicular. These lines are perpendicular. That means the triangle has two sides are perpendicular. This is a right angle triangle. So when you make a right angle like this, so the orthocenter will be what? This will be this point 0, 0, 0. It will be 0, 0. Why? Because x equals y equals x, y equals x and y equals minus x. These are two lines. So this is these two lines are perpendicular. And since these lines have no these C part, they are through origin only. So we have 90 degree and these are intersecting at origin. So see x equals y is here, just put it here. Just take the intersection. X, you might be wondering why 0, 0 has come. So just take the intersection. X minus y equals 0 and x plus y equals 0. So you get x equals 0, y equals 0. That's the origin. If the centroid of the triangle formed by the point 0, 0, cos theta, sin theta and sin theta minus cos theta lies on the line y equals to x, then write the value of tan theta. So if we have a triangle and the centroid, what is the formula of or equation of the centroid? We have A, B, C here and just assume it to be the point are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So it is given that 0, 0 is x1, y1. In the question it is given x1, y1 is 0, 0, x2, y2 is cos theta, sin theta, cos theta, sin theta, and x3, y3 is also given sin theta and minus cos theta. So we'll just take x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So this is the centroid you are going to get. So just write it here. This I am adding, divided by 3, 0 plus cos theta plus sin theta by 3, and 0 plus sin theta minus cos theta by 3. 0, this cos theta plus sin theta by 3 and sin theta minus cos theta by 3. These are the 2 points you are going to get. Now this point is lying on this line y equals 2x. It is given in the question. So just put x here and y as the second term. So y equals 2x. Y is sin theta minus cos theta by 3. X is cos theta plus sin theta by 3. So just this, you can cancel 3 and multiply right hand side by 2, and you will get tan theta as minus 3. Tan theta, let me do it. So this 3 will go. What do you get? Sin minus cos equals to cos plus 2 sin. So bring this sign here. So 2s minus s is s. So sin only will be on the right hand side. And this will be minus cos and minus 2 cos. So it will be minus 3 cos. So sin by cos is 10. Take cos on the right hand side. So tan theta is going to be minus 3. This will be the answer. Write the value of theta which belongs 0 to pi by 2. So the angle will be 0 and 9 pi by 2, means in between. For which the area of the triangle found by the points 0, 0, a cos theta, b sin theta, and a cos theta minus b sin theta is maximum. So when we have 3 points of a triangle, how are we going to find out the area? This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, and this one is x3, and this is y3. So what do we do? Area of triangle is half x1, x2, x3 on the first column, y1, y2, y3 in the second column, and 1, 1, 1 in the third column. So 0, a cos theta, and a cos theta again. In y1, y2, y3, 0, then b sin theta, and then you have minus b sin theta, negative, and 1, 1, 1. So, you know how to solve the determinant. So this 0, 0 will go, only one you will take. So a cos theta minus b sin theta and a cos theta into b sin theta. So when you solve it, it's going to be ab sin theta cos theta. So ab sin, basically it will be, let me tell you, minus ab sin theta cos theta and minus ab sin theta cos theta will be minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. Because it is mod, so we are taking only positive will come. So it will be 2ab sin theta cos theta. AB you take outside, 2 is already there. So 2 sin theta cos theta will be sin 2 theta. So eventually you will get half sin 2 theta. I hope you got the idea. This sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta along with AB, 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. This 2 sin theta cos theta, you can write it as sin 2 theta. This is AB by 2. So this is AB by 2, this is going to be constant. We'll talk about sin 2 theta. So the maximum value of sin 2 theta will be maximum. Sin theta, the maximum value is 1. Sin theta minimum value is minus 1. It cannot go beyond this this range. So 1 minus 1. So sin 2 theta is 1. Sin 2 theta is equal to 1. That means this 2 theta has to be 90 degree. Sin 90 is 1. So 2 theta will be 90 degree, pi by 2. So theta will be pi by 4. Divide both sides by 2. So this is theta equals pi by 4. Area will be maximum. Now question number 5. Write the distance between the lines 4x plus 3y minus 11 and 8x plus 6y minus 15. There is a direct formula here. We'll use the direct formula. But before that, beforehand we have to do a simple change here or make them look equal. So these two are parallel lines. Now if you see 4x plus 3y and 8x plus 6y. So they are not looking similar. First we have to make these two similar. This formula can only be applied when a1 equals a2 and b1 equals b2. Here b1 is 8 and this a1 is a2 is 8 and b2 is 6. So just take 2 common from here. Just to take 2 common. So you get 4x plus 3y minus 15 by 2 equals 0. So just divide by 2. You have taken 2 common. So now you have these as similar. Only constant term you are going to take C1, and this you take as C2. So you will take as C1 minus C2 and A square plus B square. So this minus 11 minus of minus 15 by 2 divided by 4 square plus 3 square. This one is question number 6. Write the coordinates of the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the line xy equals 0 and x plus y equals 1. So this type of questions have come, and they are going to come also in this exercise. So we are being given one x dot y equals 0. That means x equals 0 either, or y equals 0. That means you are talking about coordinate axis. X is 0 means y axis, y is 0 means x axis. These two are different axis, means coordinate axis. Now there is one more line, x plus y equals 1. X plus y equals 1 means what? If x is 0, y will be 1. If y is 0, x is 1. You get 2 points, like on the x axis you will have 1 0, y axis you will get 0 1. So this is 1 0, this is 0 1. So we have already seen this, that write the coordinates of the orthocenter. So here also there are two lines which are perpendicular, and the orthocenter is the intersection of the perpendicular from the opposite side. But we already have two sides as perpendicular. So when they intersect, it will be 0 0. So it will be the origin, because these two sides of the line are intersecting at 0 0. This one is question number 7. If the lines x plus ay plus a equals 0, bx plus y plus b equals 0, and cx plus cy plus 1 equals 0 are concurrent, then write the value of 2ab minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now these lines are concurrent, and simple way is the triangle area will be 0. When 3 lines are concurrent, the triangle area, if you try to find out, it will be 0. Concurrent means on the same line. So they are not making any triangle, won't make any triangle. So this is A1, A2, A3, 1B, C. B1, B2, B3 is A1 and C, and C1, C2, C3 is A, B1. So we write A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, that is Y coefficient, and then C1, C2, C3, that is A, B and 1. So this has to be equal to 0. So now put these values, replace these values, 1BC, A1C, AB1, and you know how to find out the determinant. Just take the determinant and we just need to rearrange them. Right? You just need to. So you have to take 1. Let me show you here. Take 1. So it will be only 1 into 1 and B into C. 1 into 1 and B into C. So 1 minus BC. If you take A, that will be negative. Plus, minus, plus, like this it goes. So minus A. So row column you leave, B into 1, B minus BC. In third you take A. So B into C is BC minus C. So when you rearrange it, there will be these terms. So 2ABC, ABC, ABC, you can see 2ABC. If you just open it. So ABC, ABC is 2ABC minus AC minus BC minus 1. So take everything on one side and this minus 1 on one side. So this is what is sought. Minus 1 is the answer. So we'll take this question in the next discussion. Till then, thank you so much. Take care of yourself.